professional GoPro mounter. Hallelujah. Multimedia interface. Let's see, what do we have here? USB 3.0 cable. Cardboard. The capture card itself, nice. It's really little, that's good. Ah, yes, it did come with proper cables. Got a USB 3.0 cable. I like that it's blue. And an HDMI cable. Oh, nice. A pretty long HDMI cable. Okay, user manual. And then that. Oh, sweet. And my warranty for it. Looks pretty slick. I like it. Got the HDMI input, HDMI output, and the USB 3.0 output. All cabling should be done to a TV. We've got that plugged in to the right slot. On the left slot, we have the game console. The USB 3.0 is running to the 3.0 slot on my computer, and the 3.0 cable is inside the capture card. Guys, we got it working now to see if it actually does what it claims and captures 4K at 60 FPS. Fast response time, holy crud. Let's play, let's game, let's get a legit game in. Let's see, we got, oh my word. Oh, of course. Let us begin. Overall, very good product.